Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to add an Interac e-transfer contact on CIBC. If you don't have a CIBC account, we will put referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. To start, open the website, then sign in with your card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Contact List. Click on Contact List. Then you will see an option for Add New Contact. Click on Add New Contact. Now, enter your contact's name on the field provided. Next, choose either email and/or mobile number, just click on the plus icon beside it. You could also change the notification language. After that, click on Add Contact. On the pop-up window, verify the information for the added contact. After that, click on Add Contact. Then you will see a message that says you have successfully added a new contact. That's how you add an Interac e-transfer contact on CIBC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.